Watch me change with every season! Hi, Splash! Welcome to spring! Welcome to spring! Everything is blooming and growing all around us. New baby animals, gentle rain showers, and flowers popping up everywhere. That's spring! Now it's my turn! Welcome to summer! Time for sunglasses and swimming! Splashing in the waves, eating cold treats, and playing outside all day long. That's summer! Whoosh! Now it's my season! Welcome to fall! Look at all these colorful leaves! Crunchy leaf piles, cozy sweaters, and pumpkins on every porch. That's fall! Welcome to winter! Time to bundle up, it's snowing! Building snowmen, sipping warm cocoa, and watching snowflakes fall. That's winter! Yay! And then, spring comes right back around. The seasons repeat over and over every single year.
I love how each season brings something new to enjoy. And then we get to do it all again. Let's remember them in order. Spring, summer, fall, and winter!
Thanks for journeying through the seasons with us. Which season is your favorite? Subscribe to Bloop Town for a new learning adventure every week. See you next time, friends!